If your Bucks or Montgomery County home has EIFS Stucco, the synthetic stucco system that was popular in the 90s, and you're selling in 2026, you need to hear this before you list. EIFS Stucco has a moisture intrusion problem that's well documented and well known in this market. Buyers agents, and home inspectors in Bucks County and Montgomery County know about it. The question isn't whether it will come up, it will. The question is how you handle it. Option one, do nothing and hope the buyer's inspector misses it. This strategy fails regularly, and when it does, it fails expensively. You're either losing a deal at inspection or getting sued after closing. Option two, get a stucco inspection before you list. Know exactly what you have. If there's moisture intrusion damage, get repair estimates. Then price the home to reflect the condition and disclose it clearly. A buyer who knows what they're getting into and is priced appropriately will close. A buyer who discovers moisture damage at inspection after falling in love with the home at full price will walk. Option three is remediate before listing. Have the EIFS system inspected, repaired, and documented. Sell a home with a clean stucco inspection report. In a market where EIFS homes routinely die at inspection, a clean stucco report is a meaningful marketing differentiator. The disclosure requirement is clear. The strategy for how to get on the other side of that disclosure with your value intact is the conversation worth having before you list. I'm Josh Wernick, realtor with Keller Williams Real Estate. I serve clients in Bucks County, Montgomery County, the Main Line, and Chestnut Hill. Head over to sellrealestatep.com to connect with me online. My number is 267-934-5674. Give me a call. I'd love to hear from you. I will see you on the next one.